What we up to today? What the heck is going on around here?
Man, we got our conservation goose hunt today, man. As you can see, I think the lens should be able to pick it up. We got a little bit of a mist, rain. Got a nice little northeast wind coming. Right now, I think it's right about 50 degrees. It's supposed to get to about 48, but hey, you know, it's gonna be a good time, man. You can hear the geese in the background. I'm excited, man. You know, we're gonna make something happen today. You know, it's all about, you know, conservation at the end of the day, man. You know, making sure we, you know, take care of these farmers out here. They got rice fields and wheat fields, and you know, sometimes they those geese get in there, man, and all those crops will be gone, man.
They eat them up.
Yeah. So, you know, we're gonna do our part to help out.
Doggone it. All right, we going to work. How old are you, young fella?
15.
15? This is not your first snow geese hunt, huh? Is it?
Sir.
All right. How many we gonna put out today?
Probably 1,000.
1,000? Good thing you're 15. I'll videotape.
Yes, sir.
Man, Willard, what you doing over
Man,
there?
you know, I gotta earn my money. You know, I can't keep going all these hunts without having to do some work. You know, so if you're an outdoor guy, you gotta, what'd you say, Chris? You gotta go outdoors.
Yeah.
So,
Getting ready for this conservation hunt, man. And we putting out.
man, how many, what the heck, man, you put all these out yourself?
Oh yeah, all by myself.
How about yourself? Hey, I see some one-eyed monsters out there helping. So, wow, go on, tell us about that conservation hunt.
Man, you know, that snow goose population is so heavy, man, and you know it's an extension after the regular, you know, duck season and goose season. So go ahead, have unplugged guns, electronic calls, man, and you know, put a hurting on these geese, man. So I'm excited, man.
Wow.
It's a lot of work, though. I don't think he's going anywhere. Straight back, behind the family group.
Three right in front of us.
Oh yeah, we got three up top.
This way. Oh, no, we're killing these.
We killing these.
Those are snows.
They're all four of snow.
Shoot them.
What's up, everybody? Man, that hunt was amazing, man. That was our first conservation hunt of 2019. Had a blast, man. But I want to say thank you to Chris, to Willard, to Zach, to Scott. Man, y'all made it possible with the side-by-side and being able to put out as many decoys as we did. We were only able to put out about 1,200, but, you know, hey, we made it happen. So it's just hard to compete with the real thing. You know, having about 5,000 geese in the field next to you, you know, it makes it a little difficult to call in the geese that are up above you. But, hey, we were able to scratch out a few, man, and, you know, we just had a good time. So y'all continue watching. Y'all stay tuned. We're going to be doing some pig hunts. We're going to be doing some dove hunts once September comes around. And, of course, you know, when duck and goose season kicks off again, man, we're going to be after it. So y'all have a blessed day, man. Y'all subscribe. Stay tuned.